I strongly believe that India was a market for GCCs or just talent for the past decade plus, and much of it is also technology transformation as well. But I think a multitude of factors today. We globally are closer than ever in terms of being able to work across geographies, technologies, platforms, and just solutions. And the global village concept is just with advent of AI and similar aspects just becoming closer and closer. Second, of course, is the fact that many that possibly did not take the bus 2 decades back or in the last decade now feel this is kind of the inevitable, or it is kind of a missing component on their global strategic initiatives. And ease of setting up a GCC today is a whole lot more than it was, let's say, in the previous decade. You can think GCC today and be ready with a GCC in 30 days time and have your teams onboarded also by that time. So I think it's really the access now, awareness, as well as how strategic a component that GCCs have become in the overall global agenda of organizations, because of which there is this unprecedented, demand and boom that seems like, but it never was not there, just that it is a lot more in focus today. But I think this is here to stay. GCCs for global enterprises are just another enterprise or another office in another country or another city. And once that is how this is simplified, the whole, both adaptation and thinking about it that yes, we can do it is just simpler than it has been in the past, right? So many of those aspects kind of coming together is what's making a difference.